Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ananya Padbil and I share German related stuff here. So if you're into it, then please consider subscribing because I'm gonna give you lots of information about German, a bunch full of exercising, and I always try to make my videos interesting so that you would have fun while learning. So today we have numbers on the list. Learning numbers in German is very easy and fun also. So let's get started with our numbers topic. 1. 1 is said as eins, eins, E-I-N-S, eins in German. 2 is said as zwei, zwei, Z-W-E-I, zwei. 3 is said as drei, drei, D-R-E-I. 4 is said as fear, fear. It's not weir, it's fear. So V is pronounced as pow. So fear. And if you have not seen my alphabets video, you can see it in the iCard button in the right corner, or I've given the link in the description below. So fear, B-I-E-R. 5 is said as fünf, fünf, F-U umlaut N-F. So you can see the umlaut also. I made a video on umlaut also. Fünf. 6 is said as sechs, sechs, S-E-C-H-S, sechs in German. 7 is said as sieben, sieben, S-I-E-B-E-N, sieben. It's not sieben, it's sieben, sieben. 8 is said as acht, acht, A-C-H-T, acht. 9 is said as neun, neun, N-E-U-N, neun. 10 is said as zehn, zehn, Z-E-H-N, zehn. 11 is said as elf, elf, E-L-F, elf. 12 is said as zwölf, zwölf, Z-W-O umlaut L-F, zwölf. 13 is said as dreizehn, dreizehn. So I'm going to explain you all about details from like 13, 14, the teen, the word teen, 10 which we use. So I'm going to explain all about it in the next slide. So dreizehn. 14 is said as vierzehn, vierzehn. So again we come up to like dreizehn, vierzehn, fünfzehn, sechzehn, siebzehn, like this. Okay. So now we have some information and tips on learning numbers. So these tips are going to help you to learn numbers in German very easily. A note about German numbers pronunciation. These numbers already sound very much close to English numbers. So like the numbers which we are learning in German, these are very relatable to the numbers which we have learned in English. When talking about the 10 numbers in English, we use the word teen at the end. 3 and 10 make 30. So now, this is a very important statement. So when we talk about 10 numbers, that is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So these are we calculated as 10 plus 3. 10 plus 4, 10 plus 5, 10 plus 6, 10 plus 7, 10 plus 8, 10 plus 9. We calculate it like that. So we use the word teen at the end in English, like 13, 14, 15, like that. So 3 and 10 make 13. So the same in German, we use the word Zehn. Zehn. So uh, in German, we say 10 as Zehn. So drei Zehn, vier Zehn, fünf Zehn, sechs Zehn, sieben Zehn, acht Zehn, and neun Zehn. So I'm also going to post 15 to 15 to more numbers in my next video. So today we have only learned about 1 to 40. Germans make this easy by using the number and tacking the word for 10 Zane to the end. We just learned this now, like we use the word Zane for 10, like same in English. See, numbers in German language aren't really that hard. It was so quick and we also had fun while learning it. So hope you like this video and you got to learn many things. Thank you for watching till the end. Like, comment, subscribe and share. If you have any doubt, ask me in the comment section and I'm surely going to reply to it. If you want to see more of my videos, click down below.